Okay, let's look at this question. If the following function is continuous, what is the value of a? First thing first, we should understand what's the meaning of the continuous, okay? The continuous means the limits when x approach to, for example, a certain number, okay? I put it as a c from the right side of the function. Will be same as limit x approach the certain point x value from the left side of the fx. That will be equals to f function at x equals c. If this is the basic definition for the continuous, that means the function continues at x equals c. Because this is the basic definition. Means left limit and the right limit, and they will equal and also equals the value of the function. So that's the definition for continuous. Now we're going to apply this one to this question to find the value of the a. First thing first, this is called polynomial. No problem. When x less than 0, this one always continues. And when x greater than 2, this function always continues because this is also the polynomial continuous. No problem with that. The only problem we gotta check is at what? X equals 0. This is the piecewise function. The conjunction with x equals 0 here, you see? This is x equals 0 here. And also x equals 2, because they are changing the functions. So we just need to know to make sure x equals to 0 and x equals 2, the function continues. So from that requirement, because they told you the function is continuous, all the intervals, all real numbers. So we just check, first thing first, we try to make x equals 0, the function is continuous. That means limits, I'm applying the definition of the continuous, the equation here, okay? So limit x approach to 0 from the right side of the gx. This one equals what? Equals, because if it's from the right side of the 0, means we're using this piece of the function. So x from the right side of the 0 approach the gx. So you're gonna have what? 2 times by 0 plus what? B, right? So that will be equals to b. And the limits x approach to 0 from the left side. Oh, this is from the left side right here. So this is from the left side, okay? From the left side, we're gonna use this one because x less than 0. And if you go from the right side here, the gx will be equals to what? Because this one always 5, so it's 5. So, of course, the x equals to 0, the function value still equals 5. So to make this 3 equal, we'll tell the b will be equals to what? 5. That's the first step. So after we find the b equals 0, b equals 5. So we know this function will be ax squared minus 5x and plus 3 now. We're applying the definition of continuous at x equals 2 now, okay? So at x equals 2, limits x approach to 2 from left side, the gx will be equals to what? That will be, from left side of the 2, you gotta use this one now here. That's 5. And the limits x approach to 2 from the right side of the gx here. So from here, we're gonna plug in the 5, because since this is a polynomial continuous, so you can plug it in. You plug in this one by 5, plug in this one by 5. So you will get a times by 5 squared minus 5 times by 5 and plus 3. And we know the left limit and the right limit must be equal, and also equals what? G of 2. G of 2, same as this one. Oh, wait a minute here. This one here, a little bit correction here, okay? We go here. X equals 2. So this one should be 2. This one will be 2, because I approach it 2 from the right side. So this one should be 2. This one should be 2 here, okay? So when you find the function value at x equals 2, you simply plug in 2 in, right? The same as this one's 2 squared and a minus 5 times by 2 plus 3. So you will get here, this one will be equals to, this is 4. So this is the 4a, and this one will be negative 10, so this is negative 7, right? This is 4a, this is 10, this is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7, that's good. So we know this one, and this one must be equal. So we're gonna have, I put the work here, okay? Got a space here. So we're gonna have what? 5 equals to 4a minus 7. So 4a equals to 12, and a equals 3. So let's recall what we did so far here. Basically, first thing first, we reviewed about what's the definition of this continuous, the function continues at a certain point, x equals c. And then we apply that. Generally, the left limit, right limit must be equals to the value of the function at that point. So we apply this one to 2 joint points here for the piecewise function, x equals 0 and x equals 2. From x equals 0, the left limit, right limit, and function value at x equals 0, you solve the equation, you find b equals 5. And then if you apply this same definition of the continuous to the point at x equals 2, the left limits, right limits, and the function value make them equal. So you got a equals 3. So got a f value of x equals 3. Okay, do you understand this now? I think so, right? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.